So the first one is that negative sign. The negative is outside the parentheses, so that means that vertical transformation. So we're looking at this, like if this were our line, it's going this direction, correct? Do y'all agree? So because it's going that direction, what axis would it have to be crossing over? The x-axis. Good. So this would be a reflect over x-axis. Okay? Now, 5/4. Some of you are like, oh, that's a fraction. It's going to be flatter. No. That fraction is greater than 1. It's 5/4, so that would be like 1 1/4, right? So we have to keep this in mind. If it's not going to be flatter, then what does that leave us with? Steeper, that's right. And of course, it's outside the parentheses, so we're talking about vertical. It's either going to be a vertical compression or a vertical stretch. If I want that line to be steeper, a vertical stretch. Good. Caleb, are you here today? Are you on campus?
Me? Yeah, I'm on campus.
Okay, just making sure. All right, now let's see the -7. The -7 is also outside the parentheses, so we're talking vertical shift, right? It's exactly what you think is going to happen, so where are we going from here? It's exactly what you think. If we're vertical, which is up and down, are we going up? No, we're going to go down. Yes, thank you, Nathan. You are on it today. So those are all 3 of those transformations that are happening to our graph. All right, here's the next one. Write it down. All right, I'm going to start here with this negative right here. Again, outside of the parentheses. So we're talking vertical, up and down. Yes? So which axis would it be reflecting over? Good. All right, now the 1/4. We're talking vertical. Is this line going to become steeper or flatter? Flatter. So if we're talking vertical, we're either going to be compressing it or we're going to be stretching it. In order to make it flatter, what are we actually going to be doing? Compressing it. Good. So this will be vertical because it's outside of the parentheses and it's a compression. Okay, last but not least, the -2. Inside. Now this is tricky because it's horizontal, right? The horizontal ones are our least favorite because it's opposite of what we think. Because it's a -2, you would think you would go which direction? Left, but really we're going right. Good. I like seeing y'all do this. Like it's like, yes, y'all are picking up on my hand gestures. In a good way though. All right. This is the last one we're going to do together. There's a lot going on here. All right, let's see here. We have 4 things. This, that, and that. So 4 different things going on here. So let's start with the negative that's this time inside our parentheses. Inside, horizontal, right? So because it's horizontal, it's going this way. Which axis would it have to be reflecting over? The y-axis, right? So reflect over the y. All right, now let's look at the 2. So we're talking horizontal, right? Is this line going to be getting steeper or flatter? Steeper. Okay, so that means we're actually going to have to do what to that line? Compress it. So this is a horizontal compression. All right, now +1. Inside, horizontal, opposite of what you think. So what are we doing here? Do what? Left 1. Good. I couldn't hear you because of the noise outside. Left 1. Good. All right, last one, -4. Outside, vertical, exactly what you think is happening. So what's happening here? Down. Good. Down 4. Now, today you're supposed to be doing a quizzes, but it's not working for everybody. For some reason, there's an issue. So what I'm going to do is share my screen and see if you can use the code. Yes. Yeah, it's working for some, but not others. And I have no idea why it's doing that. It's really bizarre. I've never seen that happen before. So let me share my screen so you can see the code and everything. There's my screen. Hopefully